Hi, this is the blue collar worker. A couple of years ago, I did a video on having problems with the toilet making a hammering sound, or if you will, a growling sound. And it went like this. Every time you flush the toilet, it made a and I just couldn't figure out what was causing that problem. I went as far as replacing the diaphragm kit, the flush meter. I replaced the vacuum, Sloan vacuum. I did a lot of things, and at the end of the day, it still is making that sound. I went as far as even opening up the wall to look inside the wall to see if maybe the pipes were coming loose. And that wasn't the problem. So I was baffled by what the heck could be causing this problem. And it dawned on me the one part that we never replace on the Sloan valve is the inside cap. For some reason, I thought they didn't go bad. So I never replaced that inside Sloan cap. And once I replaced that inside Sloan cap, the problem went away. This is what it is. It's just the inside Sloan cap. So if you're having problems with your toilet or urinal making that noise, that hammering sound, first try replacing the Sloan inside cap first, and that should solve your problem. Again, this is the blue collar worker. Have a good day. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.